Hi guys, this is Carolina. Well, today we go to the cat and cow pose. That is Bitila-Marjaryasana. Cat and cow that is Bitila and cat that is Marjarya. So we start with coming to our all fours or to the table, as we say. And often in the morning I start this asana with just being here and really heavy hanging on my bones, on my skeleton, and just relax, breathe slowly, calm, and just let your belly drop down towards the floor, head is hanging, relaxed, and slowly with inhale start to lift your heart a little bit to the front, head in line with your backbone. Breathe out, press your hands to the mat, just press your shoulders up towards to the ceiling. Inhale and roll a little bit more your heart to the front and lift your head a little bit more. Exhale and press the shoulders up to the ceilings and even a little bit more lower to the back. Inhale, magnetize your hands driving towards your knees, lift your heart to the front and start to lift your gaze also a little bit more up. Exhale and start to roll a little bit more your back up to the ceilings. Inhale to the cow, Bitila, lift your heart to the front and lift your gaze. Exhale, drop your head and the sit bones down, your back up to the ceilings. And inhale, lift your sitting bones and chest up. Exhale, your back up to the ceilings. And inhale, lift your gaze, sit bones up to the ceilings. And exhale, round your back. And with inhale, just land to the neutral position to the table. Your head should be also in the same line with your back. And if you have some neck injuries, you should always just have your head and your neck in the same alignment with your spine. So don't lift your head too much up and don't drop your head too much down. So just follow the spine with your head if you have some neck injuries. And what is the benefits of cat and cow pose? I think this is just an awesome pose to start with a day or a yoga practice in any time during the day, because it in the cow pose, Bitila-Marjaryasana, you stretch the whole front of your torso, but you also give a gentle massage to your spine and your organs inside of your belly. And in the cat pose, when you stretch your back upwards to the ceiling, you give a nice stretch to the back side of your torso. At the same time, you massage the spine and also the organs inside of your belly. So it's a really good exercise to start with a yoga practice. But also if you just want to, if you feel that your back is all stiff and you feel that you have difficulties to stand up in right alignments in regular daily life, or the sitting starts to hurt your back. So cat cow is an awesome pose to do. You can also do it if you sit, and same thing, inhale and lift your chest up to the front, exhale and round your back, and inhale and exhale. It's really good exercise to do during the day if you are stuck in an office or at school or wherever you are at. So it's a good exercise to take every now and then, because you know you are as old as your spine are. So give your spine a little bit love and start moving it a little bit. And cat and cow is the most easiest and one of the most effective poses for the spine, I think. So have a nice day. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope it's some inspiration and some value to you. Have a nice day. Namaste.